I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW X5 headlight lens. First, ensure your vehicle is safe by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. Next, you will need to remove the fender liners and any surrounding trim to expose the headlight mounting points. There are usually 5 to 6 bolts, often 8mm or 10mm, securing the headlight. Once these are removed, gently disconnect all electrical connectors and carefully pull the entire headlight assembly out. With the headlight assembly on a workbench, the next step is to separate the old lens. Many BMW X5 models use a strong urethane sealant. Use a heat gun to soften this adhesive by applying heat evenly around the lens perimeter for several minutes. Then, carefully pry the lens off using a thin, flat tool like a chisel or screwdriver. Take your time to prevent damage to the housing. After removal, thoroughly clean out all old sealant from the channel. Now that the old lens is off, it is crucial to meticulously clean the housing channel. Remove every bit of the old adhesive to ensure a perfect seal for the new lens. Inspect the housing for any damage, like small cracks, and address them if found. Once clean and dry, apply a new, high-quality headlight sealant, such as butyl rope, into the channel. Lay down a consistent, thick bead to guarantee a completely watertight seal. With the sealant in place, carefully position your new headlight lens onto the housing. Press it down firmly and evenly around the entire perimeter to ensure it seats properly into the fresh sealant. Once the new lens is secure, reinstall the entire headlight assembly back into your BMW X5. Reattach all mounting bolts, reconnect the electrical connectors, and finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery. Test your lights to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.